Hi guys, welcome to
What the Food.
So today we're gonna talk about the basic Thai ingredients that you will need in your kitchen.
Yes, if you love Thai food, these are the essential ingredients that you should have in your pantry for sure.
So we're gonna talk about where to get them, where to store them, and what you can substitute and what not.
Exactly.
Yep. So
Let's
let's
get
get started.
Hi guys, here are the basic Thai ingredients. If you like Thai food, you gotta have these in your pantry.
Exactly, and you can find most of them in any local Asian store. A little disclaimer, we're not sponsored by any of these items. We generally think that these items are very important for your Thai cooking, so enjoy!
So the first ingredient we have here is oyster sauce. It has a thick consistency, it's yummy in marinades and stir fries. And you can substitute this with the Chinese brand if you can't find this particular Thai brand. But just make sure that once you open it, you keep it in the fridge because it could spoil at room temperature.
The next item we want to talk about is the Thai soy sauce. So you can see the mushroom flavor and the original. I personally like the mushroom flavor better because it has a unique taste to it. Soy sauce in Thai, we call itซีอิ๊ว, which is a term originated from the Chinese immigrants. It tastes slightly sweeter than Chinese soy sauce. We use it to marinate, stir fry, and add it to soup. Because of its unique flavor, we don't recommend you to substitute with Chinese or Japanese soy sauce.
So here we have fish sauce. Fish sauce has got to be the most iconic Thai ingredient. This is a Thai salty agent used in almost all savory dishes. There are many brands of fish sauce, but make sure when you're choosing one, choose one that is brownish red in color and translucent. Fish sauce does age, so get a new one when it gets cloudy.
Salt ปรุงรส Thai seasoning sauce. This sauce gives an interesting umami flavor, and sometimes we add it to our stir fries. We use it to marinate. It tastes really great. This sauce tastes similar to the Maggi sauce. So if you cannot find this, you can substitute with the regular Maggi sauce. It's still as delicious as the Thai seasoning sauce.
Here we have black soy sauce. This ingredient is used more of as a coloring agent and making savory foods darker, such as the iconic dish pad see ew. It's more sweet than salty, and you shouldn't really taste it, but if you do, then I think you've added way too much.
That's right, we use it for the color instead of the flavor. In Thai, we call itซีอิ๊วดำ, which is similar to the Chinese dark soy sauce, which in Cantonese we call it lo chao. However, lo chao or lao chou in Mandarin, it is usually saltier. As Johnny mentioned earlier, dark soy sauce is mainly sweet. If you cannot find it anywhere, basically you can skip it for the coloring and add a little bit of brown sugar. Palm sugar. This is really the most delicious kind of sugar. It's sweet and has a caramelly balanced taste to it. It's complex and stimulating at the same time. We use it for 99% of our Thai desserts and a lot of savory dishes. If you cannot find them, you can substitute with Chinese rock sugar or regular brown sugar. They work just fine.
So last but not least, we got coconut milk. Thai people use coconut milk similarly to how milk and cream is used in Western food. It gives that richness, body, and creaminess to many Thai dishes and desserts. Look for coconut milk products that says 100% on it because it has a higher fat content than the canned one. Ideally when making curries, that's the one we like to use. Anyway, we'll talk more about it in another video. You can find coconut milk pretty much anywhere these days. Unfortunately, you cannot substitute coconut milk with any other kind of milk. It just won't taste right.
Hey, if you like this video, please
Give us a thumbs up.
and subscribe. If you like this video,
Please give us a thumbs up.